get rid of it, use the real thing. So lemons, okay, direct substitute, easy peasy. But when you do have natural lemons, make sure that you're getting off your lemon zest. This is fantastic for any baking. I use it in tzatziki sauce, right? Anything that you want a little freshness to. Hollandaise sauce, if you happen to make that and you're having a luxurious brunch, you can use lemon zest. So all you're gonna do, put this in a deli pack, put it in your freezer, it'll last 3 to 6 months. And then you're just gonna add a little bit of it. That gives you texture, so you're getting the flavor from this, but this is gonna give you appearance and a little bit of texture, okay? And then you can add whatever you want. So I need a knife. Can you grab me a knife from that knife rack there, please? Awesome, thanks. So you could put chili flakes in here. You could put a little bit of, if you like heat, you could put a little bit of hot sauce. I like to put chives in the summer or green onion in the winter. Again, it just gives you an appearance, but we're not gonna put that in until we whip this up. So all you're doing is turning this, it's on the other side there for you. So you just wanna whip it. Is it plugged in here?
Okay. Yeah, oh.
There we go.
Okay.
So you wanna get it to a medium speed. And you're gonna whip this for about 5 minutes. Perfect. Yeah, that's great. And then you're gonna use a really good, usually Italian olive oil. Okay? Awesome, thank you. And from here, it's just preference. So for 2 cups of ricotta, I use about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Okay? So you can notch that up, speed or 2.
Oh.
Yep. Keep her going up.
Going up, okay.
Yep. So when you're whipping it, you're just really incorporating the air, right? It's gonna give you a lighter, fluffier dip. It's also gonna extend the volume of your dip, so it's gonna go farther. And that's all there is to it. Yeah, and I'm gonna type this out for you tonight, and I'll pass it on to Michelle. Maybe we can post it on the website, Michelle, and I'll put it up on my website as well. So you could also put rosemary in this. Again, you can use the essential oil, or you could just use rosemary sprigs, right? I like to garnish with that. So we're gonna use a brie baker, put it into the oven, 350 for about 10 minutes, just until it's bubbly, it's melted, and then you can serve this with whatever you want. Tortilla chips, baguettes, your favorite crackers, and it's a simple, quick go-to food when those people drop by and you didn't know they were coming. Just have the ricotta cheese available in your fridge, and away you go. And that's all there is to it. So we're just whipping it now.
Essential oil.
It's great. So yep, we're good. Nice. So, and then you're just adding according to taste, right? So I think we could use a little bit more lemon. So doTERRA oils are really pure, so we want to make sure that you're not adding too much. It's like salt. You can always add more. You can't take it away once you've added it. So just taste. Everything about cooking is tasting, right? And everyone has individual preferences. So when in doubt, taste it. Add some more if you want. I like to also serve the ricotta in lettuce bowls. So, you know, if you have someone that's gluten-free and you don't want to serve bread or crackers, then a lettuce bowl is wonderful. You can get beautiful red lettuce. Endive is a nice way to present it. Great for catering. And again, super simple. You can make this. It will sit in store in your fridge for 5 days easily. You don't want to freeze this. You're not going to get the right texture if it's been frozen. So how's it coming?
Well, awesome.
All right, sounds good. So you can turn that off. We're just going to add the chives or green onions, and we're gonna send this off to the oven to bake, 350, 10 minutes, and then we'll try it.